Ever had one of those days when your mood is low and your focus seems miles away? What if science-backed supplements could give you a mental boost and help you stay on top of your game?
I was blind, but now I see.
Let's dive into the science behind supplements that might just improve your mood and personal efficiency. Welcome to Health Nuggets. I'm glad you're here. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any science-based health insights that can truly transform your day-to-day performance. Our mood and efficiency aren't just random. They're influenced by our brain chemistry and the nutrients we provide it. Certain supplements have been studied for their potential to support neurotransmitter production, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive performance. By addressing nutrient gaps, you might notice improved focus, better stress resilience, and an overall uplift in your mood. Key supplements for mood and efficiency are vitamin D, which is often called the sunshine vitamin. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked with mood disorders. Ensuring you have adequate vitamin D may support a more positive mood and better mental clarity. Omega-3 fatty acids as essential for brain health. They're found in fish oil and can help you improve cognitive function. Plus, they are associated with reduced symptoms of depression. Magnesium plays a key role in nerve function and stress response. Research suggests that magnesium supplementation might reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality, both critical for peak personal efficiency. L-theanine found in green tea promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness. It's known to improve attention and cognitive performance when combined with caffeine. Adaptogens are natural compounds that help the body adapt to stress. Ashwagandha, in particular, has been shown to lower cortisol levels and support mental resilience, making it easier to stay focused under pressure. Consider this. A number of professionals have reported that adding a quality omega-3 supplement and a daily dose of magnesium to their routine not only boosted their mood, but also improved their overall productivity. While results vary, consistency is key, and so is consulting with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Also, stick to evidence-based dosages. For example, aim for about 600 to 800 IU of vitamin D, 1,000 milligrams of omega-3s, and 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium daily. Always check the label and consult a professional if you're unsure. Quality is critical. Choose supplements that are third-party tested to ensure purity and efficacy. Pair with a healthy lifestyle. Supplements work best when combined with good nutrition, regular exercise, and proper sleep. Science tells us that targeted supplementation can be a powerful tool to enhance mood and boost personal efficiency. While these supplements aren't magic bullets, they can support your body's natural functions when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Remember, consistency and quality matter. Thanks for spending time with us at Health Nuggets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need a boost, and subscribe for more practical, science-based health tips. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.